All right, we have Lori from Pennsylvania, and she's going to tell us about her experience with CMT and our new Helios braces.
I am Laurie, and I am almost 50 years old, and I got the Helios braces for my birthday. It's a short walk.
Keep going.
So yeah, I came here this week, and it's been a great experience. A good time in Las Vegas, but the big thing was to have these braces.
So how do you feel you're doing after wearing them for about, I'd say about 1 hour?
Yeah, so the balance is incredible. You know, it doesn't look like something that's super supportive, but it's amazing how much support and balance I have with them on. I could stand, I could even like rock back on my heels and not lose balance. I could go side to side, I could walk down a ramp with no problems. The step down, I'm still working on that. It'll just take a little getting used to, but so far so good, and no pain in my feet.
And we did notice when you came in, you were hyperextending on your left, is that correct?
It is.
And you were pivoting, kind of like lurching off the left toe?
Yes,
And
which I did not notice myself until you pointed out, and then it became very obvious to me when I paid attention to my walk that I was doing that. I'm not doing that anymore.
And you feel like you're walking with, you feel the energy return?
I do.
Looks good.
Feel good. Once you have confidence that you're not gonna fall or, you know, anything, I can feel myself and not getting tired with wearing them. And I'm sure just over time it will be so much better.
Okay, well, we want to wish you much success in the future and
Thank
happy
you.
birthday.
Thank you.
You're welcome.